Test data tutorial, we're going to look at how we can use cross-referencing within a table when we're data masking. In this tutorial, we're firstly going to configure a masking rule set, and we're then going to perform a masking routine. We are in Enterprise Test Data, and we have set up a masking activity for our banking application. Now we have a rule set here, and if we open up our rule set, what we'll see is that we have an email function that's been applied to our email table. Now, at the moment, we could come in and we could start to enter in some static first names and last names. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use values from our table that we've masked. To do that, what we can do is we can use reference values. And this allows us to come in and reference columns within our current data table. So here we're going to reference the first name. If I hit OK on this, we'll see we've got the first name and the last name embedded. Now I'll do is we can come back up and we can run our masking routine and take a look at the result. So we'll call this our bank mask, and we'll create our submit form. Now we have our submit form. Let's come back and let's run routine and hit execute. Masking is complete. Let's go and look at our employees table. What we're going to see here is our email that has been computed is using our first name and last name to come out and produce that value. So this is how we can cross-reference against values within a table and utilize them within a masking routine. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, visit curiositysoftware.ie.